guys, welcome to my channel. Today I am going to show how to make one of our favorite and famous Bengali dish, Bhetki Machher Paturi. We need the below mentioned ingredients for our recipe: 3 tablespoons of poppy seeds, 1 small bowl grated fresh coconut, 100 grams of yellow and black mustard seeds each, 30 pieces green chilies and 6 tablespoons of mustard oil. We don't need to use too many spices for this recipe. We just need 2 teaspoons of turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon of red chili powder, salt and sugar as per taste. We also need 100 grams of plain curd. Our main ingredient 20 pieces Bhetki fish fillets, 1 lemon, and to wrap the fish we need 5 banana leaves and 1 thread. First step is to marinate the fish fillets, so first wash them properly and then add 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder and salt as per taste. Squeeze 1 lemon to it. Then add 1 tablespoon of mustard oil. Marinate the fish fillets and keep them aside for at least 1 hour. The second step is to make the Paturi masala. Here is a tip: to avoid the bitterness of mustard, take mustard seeds and poppy seeds in a bowl, add water and mix them, then soak them in water for at least 30 minutes before grinding. Then drain the excess water from the mixture and add the soaked mustard and poppy seeds in a mixer. Followed by grated coconut and green chilies. Here in the Paturi masala I have added 10 pieces of green chili, so you can adjust it as per your preferences. And keep the remaining green chilies to put on the fish paturi while making the fish parcels. Then add salt and sugar as per taste. Add 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder and red chili powder each. I have added 2 tablespoons of plain curd, which makes the paste very smooth and creamy. If you don't have curd present at home, you can skip it. Then add another 2 tablespoons of mustard oil to it. By adding a little bit water, make a smooth and fine paste in a mixer. Don't add too much water in the beginning, that is before mixing. Check the consistency and adjust accordingly. Also check the salt and sugar level in the paste and then transfer it to a bowl for future use. Third step is to make the fish parcel. First turn on the flame and keep it on low. Warm the banana leaves over an open flame for 30 seconds and make sure it doesn't burn. You will see the change in color on the banana leaves like this. Once done, cut the roasted banana leaves in rectangular shapes for making parcels. Now put 2 rectangular shaped banana leaves on table or plate as shown. Spread a tablespoon of mustard paste in the center of the banana leaf. Place 1 piece of fish fillet on the paste. Put another tablespoon of paste on the top of the fish so as to cover the fish piece by the paste from both the sides. Place a green chili on the top of it. Fold the banana leaves like this to make it a square parcel and tie with thread so that the parcels don't open while cooking. You can use any normal stitching thread to tie these parcels up. Repeat the same process for all the other fish pieces. Finally, the fish parcels are ready. Now we will proceed with our final step, that is to prepare bhetki paturi. Take a non-stick pan and add 2 tablespoons of oil to it. Place the banana leaf wrapped fish pieces on it. You can place 3 to 4 pieces at a time according to the size of your pan. Flip the fish parcels after few seconds to grease both the sides of them with oil. Cook for a couple of minutes to coat the fish parcels with oil properly and then close the pan with a heavy lid. Cook on medium flame for 6 to 8 minutes. After 6 to 8 minutes, take off the lid to turn the wrapped fish pieces in order to roast the other side and allow them to cook for another 6 to 8 minutes. After across 15 minutes, when both the sides of the paturi is cooked, you will see the change in color. The banana leaves turn little golden or yellow. Remove them from the pan and keep it in a big dish. Repeat the same process to cook the rest of the fish paturis. Make sure you keep the paturis in a place where it stays hot. Now it's time to serve and eat. I have placed the fish paturis in a banana leaf plate and now I will cut the thread and see that how it has been cooked. Perfect paturi smell is coming out and steaming the fish in banana leaf makes the fish very soft and tasty. Bhetki paturi is a very popular Bengali dish and you can just make it at home following this easy recipe. Now I can't wait to taste it, so I took out the fish and gravy from the banana leaf and served with steamed plain rice. You can have it with Basmati pulao as well. Enjoy! Guys, this is a must try and subscription to this channel is also a must, so please stay tuned and thank you.